Franklin Barbecue, America's top-ranked brisket barbecue secrets revealed. In the fierce competition for barbecue supremacy in Texas, one name consistently rises above the rest: Franklin Barbecue. This iconic establishment has become synonymous with mouth-watering smoked meats, and it has recently been crowned the top barbecue restaurant in the entire United States. But what makes Franklin Barbecue so special, and why do people flock to it from all corners of the country? According to a recent ranking by lovefood.com, which evaluated the best barbecue joints across all 50 states, Franklin Barbecue in Austin has claimed the coveted #1 position. This list included 66 barbecue restaurants, from Rhode Island to Idaho, showcasing the diverse barbecue culture found throughout the nation. However, Texas, with its rich barbecue heritage, stands out, and Franklin Barbecue is at the forefront, celebrated for its incredibly tender brisket and perfectly sliced sausages. Love Food's report highlights Texas's pride in its barbecue traditions, stating, as part of America's famous barbecue belt, Texas prides itself on its meat-smoking skills. It's widely accepted that Franklin Barbecue is the pinnacle of this culinary art. Diners are often seen waiting in long lines, eagerly anticipating their chance to savor the restaurant's renowned beef brisket, served with pickles, onions, barbecue sauce, and fluffy white bread. The late Anthony Bourdain even praised it as the best barbecue he had ever tasted, emphasizing that nothing else on the menu or in the entire state comes close to its quality. Franklin Barbecue has maintained its status as a premier barbecue destination in Texas for years. Despite the presence of other popular spots in Austin, such as La Barbecue, Interstellar, and Michelin, Franklin has cultivated a dedicated following. Locals and visitors alike are willing to stand in line for a taste of its expertly smoked meats. For 4 consecutive years, Southern Living has recognized Franklin Barbecue as the best barbecue restaurant in Texas. Additionally, Yelp has included it in its list of the 50 best restaurants in Austin, while Food Wine has ranked it among the top 10 barbecue joints in the nation. In a historic achievement, Franklin Barbecue was also one of the few Austin restaurants to receive a Michelin star in 2024, marking a significant milestone as the first Michelin star awarded in the Lone Star State. Other notable Texas barbecue establishments featured in Love Food's rankings include Tyler's Barbecue in Amarillo at number 5, Corkscrew Barbecue in Spring at number 10, Truth Barbecue in Houston at number 25, and the Salt Lick Barbecue in Driftwood at number 49. If you're eager to experience the magic of Franklin Barbecue for yourself, you can find it at 900 E 11th Street, Austin, Texas 78702. Peter L. Scamardo II, a regional editor for MySA.com, oversees coverage in Austin, the Texas Hill Country, and the I-35 corridor. With a background as a copy editor and sports reporter editor at the Victoria Advocate and Corpus Christi Caller-Times, he has also authored 2 novels, The Boys in the Brazos River Bottom and The Flyers. So, what do you think? Is Franklin Barbecue truly the best? Or do you have a favorite spot that rivals it? Share your thoughts in the comments.